Welcome to India's engineering marvel, the Statue of Unity standing tall at 182 meters or 597 feet. This is the world's tallest statue, honoring Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. It's a symbol of national pride and an awe-inspiring testament to human ingenuity. Crafted with over 18,500 tons of reinforced steel, the statue overlooks the rivers and landscapes that Sardar Patel himself helped to unify decades ago. This isn't just a stop on a journey, it's a pilgrimage to the heart of India's history, where every glance upwards is met with the overwhelming sense of legacy and leadership. As you explore the intricate museum at its base or witness the vibrant laser light show, each moment here connects you deeper to the soil and soul of India. So pack your bags and set your sights on Gujarat. It's not just a journey, it's an experience of a lifetime, standing under the gaze of the giant, feeling both humble and uplifted.